Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be making a giant Glam crystal topiary Christmas tree. It just turned out to be such a pretty and elegant tree for any Christmas decor. To start our project, you're going to have to go down to your Dollar Tree and get some clear plastic bowls because they look like crystal when they're all lit up. You'll also need a clear dessert bowl and an ornament topper for the top of the tree. To prepare the bowls, you'll need a soldering iron, and you're going to be making about a 1-inch hole at the bottom of each bowl. And you'll probably want to be doing that outside because the fumes from the burning plastic can be quite intense. So just start in the middle and work your way around to make a nice little circle. We do appreciate your support. Please hit subscribe and like. It helps us out a lot. Once all the holes are made, you can start gathering your bling to decorate your bowls. And I just got some rhinestones and garland and some shiny ribbon to decorate and glam up these bowls. And all these supplies can be picked up at your local Dollar Tree, except for the dowel. You'll probably have to get that at a hardware store. So I started off by using some large rhinestones, and I just glued them according to the pattern on the bowl already, sort of evenly spacing them out. Then continuing on with the pattern on the bowl, I took some small rhinestones and put them at the tips of the diamonds to give it a nice pattern. It's all about taking a few glam elements and turning your project into something elegant. So for each section of the tree, I tried something different for each one, just to give it a certain elegance. On this bowl section, I used little rhinestone strips and put them on every second groove of the bowl. Once I finished my strips, I put the two bowls together. I then decided to take some shiny leaf ribbon and put it around the seam. Isn't that pretty? On the next bowl, I just took some silvery garland and wrapped it around the center of the bowls. To attach it to the bowls, I just hot glued about every fourth big element on there. I then decided to take some big rhinestones and put them evenly around on each bowl and put some small ones on the bottoms of those. Ooh, that turned out pretty nice. Then on the little bowl, I just took some rhinestone strips and put them on the seams and put some little rhinestones around the center. And on the top of the tree, the light bulb already came glammed up, so it just goes as is. Then for the other bowl, we just took some more of that garland and made a nice wavy pattern to go around the bowls. Then I took some large rhinestones and put them at the centers of each wave. Then to start the tree, you'll take any pot or urn, stuff it with some styrofoam, put a nice sheet of foam core on top, and put your dowel in. Then take a string of white lights, tape it up on top of your dowel, and start putting the bowls onto the tree. So start with your bottom bowl first and pull all the lights up through that and push that down to the bottom. Then once that's in place, you just put down maybe about 10 bulbs into that bowl and continue on. Then just follow the same procedure, putting down your bowl, pulling up the lights, and when it's in place, put about another 10 bulbs into that bowl. And this will make a beautiful addition to your front entryway, fireplace, anywhere in your home. Thanks for watching, and I hope you give this a try.